Shreya from Shreya Teaching Points, and I am back with a new video. But in this video we will discuss the Class 8 Maths NCERT Chapter 9 Algebraic Expression and Identities, Exercise 9.3, question number 2nd. So in the question number 2nd we have to complete the table given in the book. So what is given in this table? In this table we have given the first expression, second expression, and we have to fill it by doing the product of the given expressions. मीन्स यहाँ पे हमें जो क्वेश्चन दिया है सेकंड वाला वो हमें फर्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन के जैसा ही है, उसमें भी हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना था, इसमें भी हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बट डिफरेंस क्या है, इसमें हमें टेबल की फॉर्म में दिया है, नथिंग एल्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज टॉपिक. सो फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन, सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन, प्रोडक्ट. सो we will start from the first part of this question, in which first expression is a and the second expression is b plus c plus d. So let it write it like as we are doing in the first question. A has to be multiplied by b plus c plus d. Right? We was writing it like this. Multiply a by the digits given inside the bracket. So a into b we get ab. Plus sign will be remain same in all cases. A into c, ac, plus a into d, ad. We have got the answer here. We cannot solve it further because everyone containing the different expression or terms. So the answer of the first part of this question will be ab plus ac plus ad. Got the answer? Now the second part of this question, we have given x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 5xy. So in this we have to multiply x plus y minus 5 by 5xy. So we will write it as bracket. We will change the position of them because we have to write the single term expression out of the bracket and the multiple term expression inside the bracket. जो बड़े वाला expression होगा उसे हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखेंगे और जो सिंगल एक्सप्रेशन होगा उसे हम ब्रैकेट के बाहर रखेंगे. इससे क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई करने में जो आंसर होगा बहुत ही इजीली आएगा. सो नाउ 5xy हैज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x plus y minus 5. So keep one thing in your mind, that the sign will be same. Plus will be plus and minus will be minus. There will be no any change will come in the sign of the given values. So 5xy first to be multiplied by x. पहले हम 5xy को x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 5 will be remain same, but x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो जाएगी as we are doing in the first question. x into x, x the power 2, and y will be remain same. Plus sign remain same. Now 5xy into y. So 5x and y the power 2. Minus sign remains same. 5 into 5, 25. xy will be same. So here we have got the answer of the second part of this question. Plus 25 xy. So now let's come to the third part of this question, which is also the same as it is. So what is in the third part? We have to multiply p by 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So same as it is, like in which sign are also same like the second part. So we will note down as the multiplication form or we will solve it. Plus 5. So p into 6p square, the power of the p will be increased by 1. So we get 6p the power 3 or p cube. Minus sign will be remain same. Now after that 7 will be same and p square plus p5. I mean 5p. So here we have get the answer of the third part of this question also. What was it? 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. Now let's come to the next part of this question. So now in the fourth part of this question we have given 4p square q square multiplied by p square minus q square. So we will note down like the before questions we are doing. Multiplied by p square minus q square. This question is very easy to do, just you have to understand the concept of this question. So here you can see that we have to multiply 4p square q square by p square. So p square into p square, we get 2 plus 2 power will be added, just p की power 4 and q की power 2 माइनस साइन रिमेन सेम. सो इन दिस q की पावर इसमें ऐड हो जाएगी, नथिंग एल्स. Got the answer of the fourth part also, that is 4p 4 q square minus 4p square q4. So now in the last part of this question we have given something very easy to do. So let's do it. So in the fifth part of this question we will take ABC outside of the bracket as we were doing in our previous questions, and a plus b plus c inside the bracket. I think in this question we are not needed to write it like that. We can just look at these questions and this expression and find out the answer. But we can solve. I am solving here to clear your all doubts. ABC into a into a की power 2, BC will be same, plus a b की power 2, c will be same, b add हो जाएंगे, and in the last one c and c will be added, a b c square. So this was the answer of the last part of this question, that is a square bc plus a b square c, 2 will be not there, sorry, plus a b c square. So here we have written all parts of this question, which was very easy to do. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, you can comment me in the comment section. I will reply to you. And thanks for watching, and if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video notifications. So thanks for watching.